to the channel all. It is time for a stretch break, but guess what? We are using a stability ball here. If you just have a chair, that's fine, but it's just so wonderful on this ball. Helps you with your core, your balance, and it just feels amazing. So get yourself a big physio ball, a stability ball, and we're just going to do a little rock forward and back. If you're in the chair, you can lift your feet up, your toes and heels as well. And just let your body move, flow with the rhythm of your breaths. Going forward and back, and use those legs. This is great, helping your lymphatic system, helps to strengthen your muscles and bones. So if you don't have a trampoline or a rebounder, stability ball. Let's do a little bounce here, see how you feel. Just a simple bounce as this. Helps you in so many ways. Helps your digestion. You know, it helps you circulation throughout your body improve. But a rebounder is even better if you can get one of those, because it really helps the legs even more. So just a gentle bounce. If that doesn't work for you, just stay here. A little rock forward and back is fine. And let's just hinge forward and up. Let's stretch your pecs, press those elbows back and forward. Always modify any movement you need to change up to make it work for you, or you can make it more intense, bigger movement. Good, let's do hip circles. Oh, so nice. So any tightness, stiffness in the pelvic region, this ball is wonderful for helping that, and going the other way, because there's no stress here. The ball helps you to move. Excellent. And let's do a side stretch. You can reach down or add the arm over. And switching sides, either reach down or press over. And release. And let's do a turn. Twist to any side. Look behind you, over the shoulder, abdominals in tight. Reset the spine, take a breath. Exhale, rotate. Lifting the chest, looking over the shoulder. So it's wonderful. Just take a moment in your day daily for you. It helps to refresh you, it helps to cleanse, rejuvenate, and just help you just to continue on in your day, right? Things are so hectic now. It's crazy. And you just have to stop for a moment. So I'm glad you're here. Let's take cleansing breaths up. I'm glad you took a moment out of your busy day to stretch with me. Hope you enjoyed. If you like, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Do share if you know someone who really needs this. I think we all do, but do share. You're going to give yourself a hug. Remember to head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com, because now I offer memberships. Woohoo! All right, have a wonderful day. Peace and love. Ta-ta.